Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to write a resume using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Now you can see this interface on my screen. You can access this by clicking the link in my description box. And after you click the link, you will land on this page. In this AI you can search for so many resume templates and you can also type a name of famous person and search his resume. For example, I'll search Elon Musk and then click enter. Okay, so here is his resume. Elon Musk cover letter example. You can use this also. And here is his resume. You can also search the resume by the field. For example, business resume, music and singer resume, acting and film industry resume. I'll open one for you. To edit the resume, you need to click on the resume, then click on want a resume like this. From here, you can customize the resume by adding your name, your contact number, mail and address. You can change the summary. You need to add your experience. After that, you need to sign up and download the resume. This is how you can create a resume by using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.